Thanks for clicking on this video. This is the kind of hair that we are using, and she used a blondish color as well. This is not a how-to box braid. This is showing you my way of box braiding, and I was just showing you what I used. It was just something that came in a curl kit box of mine, and I wouldn't recommend it. Okay, on with the video. So I have always did my daughter's hair over the years, and I just taught myself how to braid and plait and all of that good stuff. And so one thing that I could never really master the way professional braiders do is to start the knot. I have my own way of doing it, but I don't think it's not the correct way like that people that braid as a profession do. But this is the way I do. So I'm showing you guys that way, and it's easy for me. I tried to do it the other way, and it's just like, oh, I think I got it, and then I don't have it, and then I have it, and then I don't have it. So this is the way I know how to do it. Also, this way requires that I borrow some hair before I get all the way to the end to kind of blend it in, since I did not separate it into 3 equal parts to begin with. I only separated the hair into 2 parts and then used the real hair as the 3rd part and began to braid. And then as I go down, I either, before I get to the end, I start borrowing hair from the other 2 pieces, or when I'm further or closer up, you'll see in another one that I did that I was closer up, and I began to borrow the hair immediately as I was braiding down. And about here is where I started to borrow hair on this particular plait, so it was closer up. Now on this plait, I somehow figured out at this point, well, probably before this plait, but I have 3 equal parts here. And some of the plaits I did it like that, but it's just I could not keep it consistent, so I always ended up going back to my way of doing it. So it wouldn't take as long. I also had my daughter to start plaiting it. Once I finished plaiting it out halfway, I let her continue to plait it as I started a new plait. And yes, I'm calling them plaits. I know some people call them box braids, but to me, braids are when they are connected to the scalp, when you're braiding to the scalp. And plaits, back in the day, we considered the ones that were away from the scalp, like this, plaits. And then plaits you thought of as like a whole bunch of single plaits, and then braids were like cornrows, like where it was connected to the scalp. You was not lifting away from the head. You stayed to the scalp until you finished. So here I'm showing you how I take a piece where you have the little parts that stick out, because sometimes if you forget to put like a nice holding agent on there, make it lay down with the hair, you could just put a nice piece of hair jewelry around it to cover it up. And here I am again attempting to do it the right way, I guess, where I have 3 equal parts of hair. We'll just see how that goes. And I know my knots may all look a little different because I was just trying different ways and trying to, you know, get it right. But I promise you that none of them, they are there. They are not going anywhere. They are not going to slide out. They may look a little, you know, different and odd and weird or whatever you may call it, but they are secure and they aren't going anywhere. I've done it this way since when they were little, and it has worked for us. And until I can master another way, this is the way that I do it, and it works for us. So, yeah. And here I am again, trying it another way. 3 equal parts of hair. Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I got it a few times, but it just wasn't consistent. That's all. My daughter kept telling me, Mom, just do it like you was doing it. Just do it like you was doing it. Because it took me forever trying to do this way on like one plait. It just took so long. And she kept reminding me to make sure I left some hair out so she could lay her edges. So we agreed that I would do them for the summer and she will get them professionally done for when school starts back, because she wants to wear them during the school year as well. See, they don't look bad. They look really nice. I did my thing. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, thumbs up, and comment down below. And we'll see you in the next one. Lord, say the same.